Alright guys, thank you for coming back. I'm going to show you how to do a curvy text design in Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a template here. And I'm going to go to the text tab. Well, first I'm going to change the background color to this gray. And then I'm going to open up the text tab and I'm going to select a text box here. And we're going to expand it. And I'm going to make it say... let me make it say something like, I'll just make it say designed by K. And what you can do here is go to the effects tab and under the shape you can hit curve, and now it is in a little rainbow shape, so you can kind of curve it a little less, and then you can go ahead and duplicate the word, and then you can actually curve it the opposite way with this little dial. And I would just kind of play around with it here. So let me just shrink this a little bit so I can see. I think it needs to be curved a little more. Yeah, maybe something like that. And then you can go ahead and I'm going to change the color here to this. I'm going to add a shadow. I'm going to turn up the transparency and make it black so you can see it a little better. Now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this, and I'll duplicate it again. And this is a really cute design that you can do. It's a really cute feature. You can do this curvy text design for like a t-shirt, for example. But yeah, that's how you do it. Happy creating.